When it comes to crafting intricate coffin miniatures, especially for Halloween displays or themed dioramas, having the right tools is essential. Our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits are specifically designed to meet the demands of artisans, hobbyists, and professionals who seek both precision and durability in their work. Let's take a closer look at how these tool bits can be utilized to create stunning, detailed coffin miniatures from wood or foam. The process begins with selecting your base material. Whether you choose a hardwood block for a classic sturdy feel or a dense foam for lightweight models, the Carbide burr's fine point tip allows you to define the coffin's shape with remarkable precision. Secure your material, and with steady hands, use the die grinder fitted with one of our fine point burrs to outline the iconic silhouette of a coffin. The sharpness and hardness of the Carbide ensure a clean, controlled cut, reducing splintering in wood and preventing the foam from tearing or melting. Once the basic shape is established, it's time to elevate your miniature with detailed engravings. This is where the true advantage of our Carbide burr tool bits shines. Thanks to their finely engineered tips and robust construction, you can carve delicate motifs, perhaps a classic cross centered on the coffin lid, or elegant vines twisting along the edges. The burr glides smoothly, allowing you to control depth and width with subtle adjustments. This level of finesse is tough to achieve with other tools, but our Carbide burrs are up to the challenge, handling both broad scoops and intricate lines with ease. For those aiming to add an aged, spooky texture, you can further use the burr to distress the surface. Lightly graze the tool across the wood or foam, creating tiny cracks or chipped corners that give the miniature an authentically weathered look. If you're working with foam, our burrs prevent the material from getting too hot, which helps avoid unwanted melting or warping, a common issue with lower quality bits. Engraving details like cobwebs, tiny skulls, or personalized initials is where creativity truly takes over. The fine point Carbide burr lets you work with a level of detail that brings your miniature to life. You can even vary your approach by switching to a different burr shape for wider grooves or rounded recesses, adding dimensionality and interest to the piece. Safety and ease of use are also key benefits of our USA-made Carbide burrs. The high-quality craftsmanship ensures a long lifespan, resisting dulling even after repeated use on tough materials. This means you can focus on your art rather than worrying about tool wear or frequent replacements. The comfortable, balanced operation of your die grinder, paired with our burrs, allows for extended working sessions without fatigue, so you can immerse yourself in the carving process, refining every last detail until your coffin miniature is exactly as you imagined. Whether you're preparing decorations for a Halloween party, assembling a haunted house scene, or simply enjoying the art of miniature making, our Carbide burr die grinder tool bits empower you to achieve professional results at home. The precision and durability of our USA-made tools open up a world of creative possibilities, limited only by your imagination. If you found this guide helpful and want to see more creative ideas and tips for using our tools, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear how you're using your coffin miniatures. Leave your spooky Halloween comments below and share your own carving experiences.